Yeah, everything's good, man. I just got my eye on this game over here. I'm a Giants fan, so uh, we need the Eagles to win for the Giants to get in. Sadly, at 6-10, but you know what? That's how the rules are. So they let a division winner in. So I'll take it if they can get in because anything can happen in the playoffs. Thanks for joining, everyone. Appreciate you coming out tonight. It's 9 o'clock Eastern or 5 after 9 Eastern here, and the Eagles just scored. And appreciate you all hopping in the break, taking bids on the teams. Um, just want to make a couple quick announcements here before we get going on the 10 box Mosaic break. Mosaic's been absolutely hot in our past break, so hopefully it continues here too. Um, fairwaysportscards.com, that's my website off of eBay. If you go over there, you sign up for a customer account. New customers can take 10% off with using the code FIRST10. We have some nice box breaks going on over there. Hobby box break type stuff. Phoenix hobby box, 2 hobby box break. Random team, random division type stuff. Love for you to take a look at it and maybe grab some spots. I'll be hanging on here after this break to do personals as well. If anyone wants to hop in for some personals, we got a lot of Prism, basketball, Optic, Mosaic, Illusions. We got some baseball. We even got hockey. We got some of the new draft class too. So if you want to head on over there afterwards, take a look at some breaks, start filling some of those group breaks up, or take some personals. I'll be hanging on after this break. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe whether you're watching this live or on the replay. Did a lot of breaks this week. Got a lot of breaks coming up. I'll be back on with eBay breaks on Wednesday. We got one break that night. Thursday, I believe we have 3. Friday, we're doing 3. Saturday we'll have 3 or 4, and Sunday we'll have probably 4 as well. So mostly football and basketball right now, and then mostly Prism, Mosaic, some of the Hoops Premium. I have a little bit of the new older release stuff too in basketball, like Optic. I got some mixers coming up with Dunruss and Optic and Mosaic and Chronicles. So good stuff coming up. If you haven't saved my name or my username in eBay as a seller, please do so, because you'll be able to see my Fairway Sports Cards store there where all the breaks will be listed, so you can have easy access to it and know when they're coming up. So let's get the team list up here. Got everyone's teams there. Jacob's got a couple. Cole's got a couple. Raleigh's got a couple. Marsha's got a couple. Don's got a couple, yeah. So good luck, everyone. Let's pull some fire with these. Box 1. Teddy Bridgewater, Adam Vinatieri, Nick Chubb, Christian Kirk, Stefan Diggs, Eli, Howie Long, Donovan McNabb, Dan Marino, Dwight Freeney, green for the Colts, Kerryon Johnson, orange. There you go. Talking about Mosaic staying hot. Joey P, orange debut. Cincinnati, that's Jacob. Congrats. Got an orange Michael Thomas, Calvin Ridley orange, Dan Marino touchdown Masters, Baker silver will to win, Steve Young Hall of Fame, Keyshawn Vaughn rookie for Tampa, Calais Campbell Pro Bowl, and then J.K. Dobbins is the rookie for Baltimore. Okay, Vinatieri, Nick Chubb, Christian Kirk, Stefan Diggs, Darius Slayton, Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, A.J. Brown, Cole Kmet. That's a variation with the Notre Dame uniform on for the Chicago Bears. Gardner Minshew, silver. Jerome Bettis, orange. Tyler Boyd, orange. C.J. Henderson, rookie for the Jaguars, orange. Cunningham, Eagles. Josh Allen, there's a silver flea flickers for Pittsburgh. Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. Emmitt Smith, Antonio Gandy Golden, Washington, and a DeAndre Swift, NFL debut for Lions. Julio Jones, Matt Stafford, Cole Beasley, Andre Johnson, Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo, Kyle Rudolph, Mike Allstott. That's a good one here. Another photo variation, Chase Young, Redskins, or Washington. I keep saying Redskins. That's going out to Raleigh. Nice one there. I haven't seen this one yet. This is the first time I'm seeing this one. Of all the Mosaic I'm breaking, I think this is the first time I've seen it. I've seen the other variations. I have not seen this one yet. Nice one there. Chase Young on TV right now. Emmitt Smith, silver. Landon Collins, orange. TJ Hawkinson, orange for Detroit. And another nice orange here. Going out to the Steelers, Chase Claypool. Steelers is Marsha. Congrats, Marsha. Nice one there. Drew Brees, Dan Marino, Nick Chubb, silver Mosaic, Lamar Pro Bowl, Van Jefferson, Rams, CeeDee Lamb, NFL debut. And then a KJ Hamler, rookie for Broncos. Box 4. I'm gonna petition Panini not to do those black cartons inside them. They're so tight in those things. It's weird because they don't like do anything like that with any of their other products. Ed Reed, Herman Moore, DJ Moore, Amari Cooper, Michael Vick, Jarrett Stidham, Eddie George, Lawrence Taylor, Keenan Allen, Charles Woodson green for the Raiders. Marcus Mariota, that's going out to the Raiders as well. Devontae Adams, Packers orange. Kevin Green, Hall of Fame. Cam Jordan, orange for Saints. Dak will win. Roger Staubach's green, old school for the Cowboys. There's a nice CD Lamb right there. Going out to the Cowboys. That's a Gerald. Jim Kelly. Washington again, Chase Young. Pro Bowl, Kenny Golladay. Steve, thank you. I appreciate that. Look, I mean, if enough people want to get involved and we can get some momentum, yeah, we'll break it tonight. But, we're just kind of starting on those. So hopefully enough people would want to take some spots in those and we can get it going. But, I try every time I come on the air, we try to start doing it. It's just, the website's a little bit new. And trying to get people to come over there and introduce them to that stuff, the random team, random division type stuff. So it's fun, it's inexpensive. You don't have to bid up for a particular team or not, so you can get a good team. So yeah, appreciate the order though. Thank you. Okay, Leighton Vander Esch, Lamar, Kevin King, Dick Butkus, Debo Samuel, John Riggins, Jamal Adams, Cooper Kupp, Rod Woodson, and then we get a nice silver NFL debut here for the Steelers of Chase Claypool. Nice one again for Marsha. Okay, Jeff Okudah, rookie for the Lions. Taysom Hill, Saints. Luke Kuechly, Panthers. And then a nice orange NFL debut here for the Rams. Going out to John. Cam Akers. Barry Sanders, will to win. Seattle, Flea Flicker. NFL debut, Chase Young. Nice one there. Washington again, Raleigh. Darrington Evans, rookie Tennessee. Steve Young, Hall of Fame. And then we got Keyshawn Vaughn, Tampa Bay. All right, halfway through. Yeah, random team, random division. I've hit some of my best stuff in random team, random division type stuff. I remember back in 2017, for $20, I had Kansas City Chiefs, and I hit a Patrick Mahomes 1-of-1 in an illusions break, which I have that card. It's graded and everything, but for $20, I hit that card. I mean, that card is probably several $1,000s. So yeah, you just don't know. You don't have to guess on which team's going to come out and play that game. So you just kind of roll the dice and see what you get and hope that the players that you get turn out. Yeah. Okay, AJ Green, Chris Jones, Roger, Marquise Brown, Debo Samuel, John Riggins, Jamal Adams, Cooper Kupp, Rod Woodson, Andre Johnson, Silver Mosaic, Jeff Saturday, Orange, Washington staying hot, Chase Young here, Orange. Been pulling a lot of Chase Youngs lately. Nice one here for Raleigh. And just like that, the Eagles are up. Jalen Hurts scoring the touchdown. Okay, we got Gronk, Tampa, Brian Burns, Carolina, Lamar Jackson, will to win, Josh Allen, Buffalo Flea Flicker, Antonio McFarland Jr., or Anthony McFarland Jr., Steelers, Jalen Rieger, Eagles, Devin Duvernay, Ravens, and then Troy Aikman for Cowboys Hall of Fame. Okay, we got 4 boxes left. Pretty good break so far. Okay, we got Will Fuller, Joe Mixon, Tyreek Hill, Troy Aikman, Ed Reed, Daniel Jones, Darren Waller, TJ Watt, Mike Gesicki, LaDainian Tomlinson, green for the Chargers, Adam Thielen, orange for the Vikes, Ezekiel Elliott, orange for Dallas, Michael Irvin, orange for Dallas, Jerome Bettis, orange for Pitt, and then we got Howie Long, Raiders. We got a silver flea flicker for the Green Bay Packers. Rodgers on there. Michael Irvin. A.J. Dillon, rookie for the Packers. And then Kirk Cousins. Okay, we got Michael Vick, Kenny Golladay, Tre'Davious White, Carlos Hyde, Ryan Tannehill, Darius Slayton, Richard Sherman, Randy Moss, A.J. Brown, T. Higgins silver going out to Cincinnati, silver mosaic. Nice one there for Jacob. Aaron Jones, DeAndre Swift for the Lions and Raleigh. Ryan Tannehill, orange. Earl Thomas, orange. Derrick Henry, will to win. Flea flicker for the Cowboys. Lamar Jackson, Pro Bowl. Van Jefferson, rookie Rams. CeeDee Lamb, NFL debut. And KJ Hamler, same sequence as the last time those two came. KJ Hamler is Denver. All right, 2 boxes left. Pretty good break. We could always get a little better. Tremaine Edmonds, J.J. Watt, Kyle Fuller, Len Dawson, Leighton Vander Esch, George Kittle, Adrian Peterson, Warren Sapp, Cam Jordan, Lattimore Green, Saints, Boomer for the Bengals, orange. Denzel Mims, nice one here for the Jets. Jets and Pete. Nice one there, Jets. Donovan McNabb, Philly. Devin Singletary, Buffalo. Aaron Rodgers got game. Roger Staubach, green for Dallas. Cam Akers, NFL debut. Jeff Okudah, rookie Detroit. Terry Bradshaw, Pittsburgh Hall of Fame. And then we got James Morgan, rookie for the Jets. All right, last box magic here. Good luck. Ed Reed, Herman Moore, DJ Moore, same sequence before with those two guys. Amari Cooper, Russell Wilson, Julian Edelman, Kevin Byard, Tiki Barber, Joey Bosa, Jamal Adams, Jets, silver mosaic, Von Miller, orange for the Broncos. Oh boy! Boom! Boom shakalaka! Ho! Beautiful hit here for the Chargers and Dustin. We did it. Last box magic. Justin Herbert orange. Boom. Congrats, Dustin. Awesome hit. Gronk orange for Tampa. Chandler Jones orange. Thurman Thomas Bills. Tony G, KC, Javon Kinlaw, San Fran, Jonathan Taylor, NFL debut, Colts, Jake Fromm, rookie, Buffalo, and Jerome Bettis, Hall of Fame for Steelers. That is the break. That was a good one. Good break. I've been loving this mosaic. It's been so good. I got to get more of this stuff. Do a quick recap. There we go. Chargers, Justin Herbert, orange. Denzel Mims, orange, Jets. DeAndre Swift, orange for the Lions. T. Higgins, silver mosaic for Bengals. Chase Young, orange for Washington. Cam Akers, orange debut, Rams. Silver NFL debut mosaic, Chase Claypool, Steelers. Chase Young, CeeDee Lamb, Chase Claypool again, orange mosaic for Steelers. Chase Young, Washington photo variation, and Joe Burrow, NFL debut orange for Cincinnati. Good break. Thank you again, everyone. Appreciate it. As I said earlier, I'll be hanging out for personals or start filling some of those group breaks up.